goes. Wait, unrecognized. I've never got this before. It's an unrecognized warning. Oh, that's weird.
County, Medina County, until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain is falling over the warning area. The rainfall has been heavy enough to produce flooding. Some locations that may experience flooding include Elyria, Litchfield, Lorain, Medina, and Strongsville. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles.
It's for flooding.
Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina.
Oh, crap. Oh, look, another one. Severe thunderstorm warning. What if the ones... I'm gonna check and see if the ones upstairs are going off.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Erie County, northeastern Huron County, Lorain County, western Medina County until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Wakeman and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Lorain, Elyria, Amherst, Wellington. Avon Lake. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Lorain, and Medina.
Wow. What's going on here?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for Maumee, Beta Conneaut, Ohio, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated numerous thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater, moving east at 25 knots across the lake. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Huron, Lorain Harbor, Avon Point, Cleveland, Fairport Harbor, and Ashtabula. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. That one's still not going.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Medina, and Summit. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Medina County, central Summit County. This includes the city of Akron until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Wadsworth, or 8 miles southeast of Medina, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Barberton, Cuyahoga Falls, Calumet, and Marketer.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap.
A flash flood warning for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, Medina, and Summit.
Here comes all the warnings.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flash flood warning for Cuyahoga County, Lorain County, Medina County, Summit County until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. At 8:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a slow-moving cluster of thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. The ground has become rapidly saturated from earlier storms and minor flooding was reported. Additional heavy rainfall is expected over the next couple of hours, which will exacerbate flooding to hazardous levels. Storm drains will be overwhelmed, and creeks and streams will overflow their banks. Locations impacted include Strongsville, Medina, Lorain, Litchfield. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flash flooding is observed, act quickly. Do not enter the water. Turn around and move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, Medina, and Summit.
The warnings are a little late. Just a bit late. Oh my gosh.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Lorain, and Medina. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for central Lorain County, southwestern Cuyahoga County. This includes the city of Strongsville, northern Medina County. This includes the city of Litchfield, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles northeast of Wellington, or 11 miles south of Elyria, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Grafton, Brunswick, Parma, and North Royalton.
I swear.
This is NOAA
Finally.
Weather